Hi students, in the last class we have discussed about some problems based on electrochemical series, and we have discussed about Nernst equation for single electrode potential, and we have solved some problems based on Nernst equation. And in today's class, that is lecture number 5, we will start with some more problems based on Nernst equation only. Right, see here, one question has given here, that is calculate reduction potential of following electrode at 298 kelvins, and your electrode symbol has given, that is a platinum oblique Cl2 2.5 atmospheres oblique HCl 0.01 molar, and E0 Cl2 oblique 2Cl minus is 1.36 volts. First we'll try to understand the given question. Here, whether if you observe the question particularly, it is a chlorine electrode. Chlorine electrode has given in the question. It is just like a SHE type, standard hydrogen electrode type, because it is also gaseous electrode only. That's why platinum metal has taken. On that platinum metal, chlorine gas is sending at 2.5 atmospheres. Next, that platinum has dipped in 0.01 molar HCl solution. That platinum has dipped in 0.01 molar HCl solution. Means at 2.5 atmospheres, at 0.01 molar concentration, how much potential will be generated is asking, for chlorine of course. Now here E0 Cl2 oblique 2Cl minus 1.36 volts 12. Of course it is a standard reduction potential of chlorine. Why? How you are telling it is a standard reduction potential? Because E0 indicating standard condition, and the Cl2 converted to Cl minus. Cl2 means 0, oxidation number converted to -1. Decrease in oxidation state, nothing but a reduction process. It is a standard reduction potential of chlorine, and its value is fixed 1.36, and this value already we have calculated with the help of SHE. Right. Now means this value is obtained at 1 molar concentration as well as 1 bar or 1 atmosphere pressure. This is the value. But in the present question, concentration is not 1 molar. Concentration is 0.01 molar, and the pressure also not 1 atmosphere. Pressure is 2.5 atmospheres. At these two conditions, how much electrode potential will be generated for chlorine is asking. That purpose will write given cell symbol as it is first. That is platinum Cl2 2.5 atmospheres oblique HCl 0.01 molar. Right. It is a chlorine electrode. Chlorine electrode means chlorine should contact with its own ions solution. Own ions in solution, of course. That's why chlorine oblique HCl. HCl concentration is 0.01. HCl nothing but H plus and Cl minus ions. Here meaning is H plus concentration is also 0.01 molar, as well as Cl minus concentration is also 0.01 molar. Now Cl2 should be, chlorine gas should be contact with a Cl minus ions solution. Means here H plus is not having any role. That we can remove them. After removing of H plus also, there is no any difference in the concentration of Cl minus. Now see here, chlorine is contacted with Cl minus ions. Right. Now we will see whether it is a reduction symbol or oxidation symbol. We have to identify. Cl2 converted to Cl minus. Cl2 converted to Cl minus is absolutely reduction process only. Like this. Cl2 by taking electrons converted as Cl minus, of course, to Cl minus. It is a balanced form. Now chlorine molecular state, its oxidation number is 0, has converted to -1. Decrease in oxidation state, nothing but reduction process, because we are calculating the reduction potential of chlorine. Okay, reduction potential of chlorine purpose, we have to write reduction reaction only. And it is a product, it is a reactant, or it is a reduced state, it is oxidized state. Now we will write our Nernst equation to find electrode potential like this. Nernst equation is already familiar to you. E is equals to E naught minus 0.059 by n log base 10 product concentration divided by reactant concentration, or reduced state by oxidized state. Okay. Now this entire Nernst equation will apply particularly for chlorine electrode. Therefore, you write E Cl2 converted to Cl minus. Therefore, Cl2 oblique 2Cl minus is equals to E naught. That is also reduction only. That's why Cl2 oblique 2Cl minus, again minus 0.059 by n log base 10. Log base 10 product by reactant, or reduced state by oxidized state. Here reduced state is there is nothing but a Cl minus. Therefore, Cl minus. Next, here a stoichiometric coefficient is 2. When we are writing concentration term, whatever the stoichiometric coefficient is there, that coefficient we have to write as its power. Therefore, to the square divided by a reactant, nothing but oxidized state. But the thing is, a reactant is a gas. Gas means we have to take its partial pressure. Only chlorine pressure has given the question, that is 2.5 atmospheres. Therefore, we will write P Cl2 is equals to, now we'll substitute the values. E naught value already given in the question. E naught value given in the question, we'll just copy as it is, 1.36 minus 0.059 divided by n, nothing but number of electrons transferred in the process. How many electrons are involved in the process? Just 2 electrons only. 2 log base 10. Cl minus concentration. Cl minus concentration has given in the question, that is a HCl concentration given. HCl nothing but H plus concentration also same only, and Cl minus concentration also same value only, 0.01 whole square divided by partial pressure of chlorine is 2.5 atmospheres. 2.5, that is nothing but 1.36. If you divide this value, you get 0.0295 and log base 10. And if you simplify this entire value, then we'll get 4 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Of course, it is a mathematical calculation. You have to do that. Then log 4 into 10 to the power of minus 5. We'll recall here one logarithm formula, that is log m into n. Log m into n is nothing but log m plus log n. See here, is equals to 1.36 minus 0.0295 log m plus log n. That's why I will write log m 4 plus log base 10 to the power of minus 5 log m plus log n. 1.36 minus 0.0295 and a log 4 value. How to see log values? Already we have learned in first year equilibrium lesson clearly. Log 4 value 0.6020. While solving Nernst equation problems, please keep logarithm papers ready with you. Okay? And here plus log m to the power of n. Log m to the power of n, we have to use one more formula, that is n log m. Here n value how much? Minus 5. Log base 10 m. N log m. That's all. Next, 1.36 minus 0.0295, 0.6020. Log 10 value, of course, 1. 5 into 1, 5. Minus 5 into 1, minus 5. And minus into plus, you will get minus, means overall we are getting minus 5. 1.36 minus 0.0295. If you subtract minus 5 plus 0.6020, if you subtract, we'll get a minus 4.398. Right. Now minus into minus, we'll get plus 1.36 plus. If you multiply these two values, and the obtained value is 0.129. And finally, if you add both the values, ultimate value is 1.49 volts is the final answer. Means, if you maintain 1 molar concentration as well as 1 bar or 1 atmosphere pressure as far as chlorine, then obtained electrode potential, obtained reduction potential value is 1.36. Suppose if you maintain 0.01 molar concentration and 2.5 atmospheres pressure, obtained electrode potential value, nothing but obtained reduction potential value is 1.49. Of course, it is a standard reduction potential, but it is not a standard reduction potential because here standard conditions are not maintained. Okay, it is just electrode potential. Of course, standard electrode potential of chlorine value at these two conditions. Okay, same question. Instead of taking off 2 moles of electrons, we can use 1 mole electrons and we can solve. You will get absolutely same answer only. We'll just see here. Here instead of taking off 2 moles, I am just using the chlorine molecule by taking 1 electron converted to Cl minus. But of course, it is not balanced. Balancing purpose, in the previous case 2 and 2 we have taken. Here I am taking half Cl2 I have taken. Half Cl2, nothing but 1 chlorine. Half Cl2 molecule is nothing but 1 chlorine. 1 chlorine by taking 1 electron converted to Cl minus, that's all. It is also balanced equation only. Now with the help of this equation also, if you solve, you will get same answer. There is no any confusion here. It may be 2 moles electrons or 1 mole electron, ultimate answer is same. Okay, one question will solve and we will see that. Okay, same ECl2 right here also. Half Cl2 converted to Cl minus. Half Cl2 has converted to Cl minus. That's why we write here half Cl2 oblique Cl minus. And E naught also same. Half Cl2 oblique Cl minus. 0.059 by N. Log base 10 same. Product by reactant, reduced state by oxidized state. Reduced state is nothing but Cl minus divided by oxidized state. Here half mole of Cl2 is there. Half mole Cl2. That's why remember, it may be concentration term or pressure term. Whatever the stoichiometric coefficient is there, that coefficient we have to write as its power. Here no any coefficient term, that's why simply we have taken 1. Here half is there, that's why we write P1 by 2 Cl2 because it is a gas. Its pressure already given 2.5 atmospheres and P to the power of 1 by 2 we are writing. Why? Because here it is a half mole. It's very important point here. Whatever the stoichiometric coefficients are there, that coefficient we have to write as a power. It may be concentration term, it may be pressure term, doesn't matter. Okay. Equal to E naught half Cl2 oblique Cl minus. Then here Cl2 oblique 2 Cl minus given. But here half Cl2 oblique Cl minus. Then whether same value we can write or not. 100% same value we can write here. There is no any difference. It may be half Cl2 or Cl2 or 2 Cl2, doesn't matter. Same as it is we can write here. It is a standard reduction potential of chlorine. It is fixed. Minus 0.059 divided by N, nothing but number of electrons transferred in this process. Just 1 mole only. We will write here 1. In previous case we have written 2. We have taken 2 moles electrons, but here just 1. And log base 10 Cl minus concentration is 0.01. We'll write same 0.01 nothing but you can write 10 to the power of minus 2 divided by P to the power of 1 by 2 Cl2. Pressure is 2.5 atmospheres and we will write like this 2.5 to the power of 1 by 2 because pressure to the power of 1 by 2, 2.5 to the power of 1 by 2. Therefore 1.36 minus 0.059 log base 10. Again, if you do the simplification of this value, you will get 6.32 into 10 to the power of minus 3. You will get 6.32 into 10 to the power of minus 3 after simplification of this value. Of course, it is a mathematical calculation, that is you have to solve them. And 1.36 minus 0.059, see here again log m into n, log m plus log n. Therefore log m value 6.32 plus log 10 to the power of minus 3, log m plus log n. 1.36 minus 0.059 log 6.32 value is 0.8007 plus log m to the power of n. Log m to the power of n value n log m. N value is minus 3. Log m value is 10. Of course, base 10. 1.36 minus 0.059. See here again. Log 10 value 1. 1 into 3, 3. Minus, plus into minus. Therefore, 0.8007 minus 3 we are getting. And 1.36 minus 0.059. And if you subtract, you will get a minus sign only inside. The obtained value is minus 2.19. Minus 2.19. And minus into minus, again you will get plus. First these two you have to multiply. Whatever the value you will get, that value you have to add here. And if you do the calculation part, as it is the same 1.49 volts only you will get. Previously, if you take 2 moles, 1.49 only. If you take 1 mole also, 1.49 only will get. There is no any doubt in that. Why? Because if you take 1 mole, your pressure you have changed, concentration also changed. That is very very important point. N value 2 means here concentration square you have taken. Pressure there is no any 1 by 2. When if 2 moles are there. That's why if you take if you change N value, these two values also changing. Therefore, ultimately you will get the same value only. This type of questions will repeat in maximum cases. That's why if you use 1 mole electron or 2 moles electrons, it doesn't matter. You will get ultimately same answer only. Anyone you have to take them. Every time no need to take 2 moles, 1 mole separately and no need to show them. Okay, right. Next question. We'll go to next question. Next question is like this. Okay, calculate electrode potential of following electrode when pH of acidic solution is 2 and electrode symbol given HCl oblique H2 10 atmospheres oblique platinum. That's it. This is the question. See here, today's class is maximum problems based class only. Please try to concentrate more. See here hydrogen electrode potential based question it is. Hydrogen electrode based question, and here pressure is 10 atmospheres because hydrogen is a gas. At 10 atmospheres pressure, hydrogen gas is passing on platinum. Here one more point is needed. Pressure is known. Now HCl concentration is needed. But in the question, HCl concentration given indirectly. How? pH has given as 2. pH is given as 2. In first year, ionic equilibrium lesson we have learned relation between H plus and pH. If a pH equal to 2, H plus is equals to 10 to the power of minus pH. That is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 2 molar. Okay. Pressure is known as well as the concentration also known. Whose concentration is H plus concentration? H plus concentration nothing but HCl concentration. Nothing but Cl minus concentration. Right. Now same symbol once again I am writing HCl oblique H2 10 atmospheres oblique platinum. It is also hydrogen electrode. Hydrogen electrode means HCl we can write H plus and Cl minus. Hydrogen electrode not needed Cl minus. Hydrogen electrode not needed Cl minus concentration. Therefore H plus oblique H2, that's it. H plus oblique H2. It is also again a reduction symbol only. That's why it's a related reaction. We will write like this. It's a related reaction. I am giving H plus by taking electron converted to H2. That's all. H plus by taking electron converted to H2. Again here also. If you want, you can keep 1 mole electron. Then we have to write here half mole. Or if you write here 2, here also we have to write 2. Then H2 will be remains the same. Whatever the moles of electrons you can take doesn't matter. You can take 1 mole electrons or you can take 2 moles electrons like this. Your answer will be same. Okay. Now we will take 2 moles electrons. Now again, it is a reduction process. It is a product. It is a reactant. It is a reduced state. It is oxidized state. Now again, we will apply Nernst equation to this equation. To this electrode. Therefore, E H plus oblique H2. H plus oblique H2 or of course 2H plus oblique H2 also we can write. No difference. E is equals to E naught 2H plus oblique H2 minus 0.059 by N log base 10. Product by reactant. Here product is a gas again. Product is a gas. Gas means we have to take its partial pressure. P H2 divided by concentration H plus. But I have used here 2 moles. Coefficient is 2. Whatever the coefficient is there, we will write as its power is equals to. It is nothing but SHE. It is nothing but H plus converted to H2 under standard conditions. Standard hydrogen electrode value will be 0 minus 0.059 divided by N value. How many electrons are transferred here? 2 electrons divided by 2 log base 10. Pressure of hydrogen. Pressure of hydrogen clearly has given in the question, that is 10 atmospheres. We write 10. There is no any power for pressure. We will write as this. If some power or 1 by 2 means, we will write whatever the value given, we will write. Okay. Divided by H plus square. H plus square. H plus concentration how much? 10 to the power minus 2. How this H plus concentration is obtained? From pH. Therefore, 10 to the power minus 2 whole square. Because H plus is square. Whatever the coefficient is there, that coefficient has written as its power. Right. Minus, if you divide this value, minus 0.0295 log base 10. 10 by 10 to the power minus 4. Minus 4 if you bring into the numerator, then it becomes 10 to the power plus 4, and here already 1 is there, 10 to the power 5. Equal to minus 0.0295 log m to the power of n. Log m to the power of n is nothing but n log n. That is nothing but, we will write here, n value 5 log 10 base 10 minus Locton Weston is of course 1. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into this value. Again, if you multiply these two values, the obtained value is minus 0.1475. 0.1475 volts. Minus remains as it is. Now, what is this? It is the electrode potential of hydrogen only. At what conditions? Means at 10 atmospheres pressure and concentration is 10 to the power of minus 2. Remember, at this concentration and at this pressure, how much electrode potential will be generated for hydrogen? Means this is your answer. At 1 molar concentration and 1 atmosphere pressure, how much electrode potential will be generated? 0. It is called standard electrode potential. At 1 molar concentration, 1 atmosphere pressure, it is fixed. But here 10 atmospheres pressure and 10 to the power of minus 2 molar concentration. At these two conditions, this much potential will be generated for hydrogen electrode. That's all. Okay. Next we will go to another question. Next question is calculate pH. See here, pH of following half cell reaction, and in the brackets he has given E oxidation potential value 0.25 volts and symbol given, electrode symbol platinum oblique H2, of course 1 bar gas oblique HCl. That's all. This is the question. First we will try to understand given data. Is asking calculate pH of following half cell. This is a half cell. Of course, it is also hydrogen electrode only. Hydrogen electrode potential has not asked. Already hydrogen electrode potential has given the question. But the thing is, he has given oxidation potential. And if you observe the symbol is also oxidation symbol only has given. How? See here, H2 converted to, I'll write the symbol once again here, platinum oblique H2 1 bar gas oblique HCl. It is hydrogen electrode. Again HCl means H plus and Cl minus. Cl minus we can neglect, not necessary. H2 converted to H plus. H2 converted to H plus. What is the reaction? It is oxidation reaction. H2 by losing electron converted to H plus. Means oxidation potential has given as well as oxidation reaction has given, and is asking a pH of this entire cell. pH of this entire electrode. Now what I am doing here, because in electrochemistry we will consider reduction potential values as well as reduction reaction only will be considered. Now what I am doing here, this oxidation potential also I am changing into reduction potential, and oxidation reaction also I am changing into reduction reaction. There is no any change in the answer, remember, because oxidation reaction I am changing into reduction reaction. Oxidation potential also I am changing into reduction potential only. There is no any difference in the answer. See here. Now E oxidation potential is that means E reduction potential is equals to. You know the difference between oxidation and reduction potentials. Values are same but sign only different. So therefore minus 0.25 volts. Next we have to write a reduction reaction of hydrogen. Reduction reaction is nothing but 2 H plus by taking the 2 electrons converted to H2. That's it. Okay. Then here reduction potential as well as reduction reaction. Reduction potential, reduction reaction, both will be in the same time. Now he is asking pH. pH means you have to calculate H plus. log h plus related value you have to calculate. We'll just see them. As it is, we'll write a Nernst equation again. E h plus oblique h2. Of course, 2h plus oblique h2 is equals to E naught. E naught same 2h plus oblique h2 minus 0.059 by n log base 10 product by reactant. Again, product is a gas. pH2 divided by reactant is ion. H plus square is equals to. Here the thing is already reduction potential value, nothing but of course oxidation potential has given in the question that we have converted into reduction potential. That's why whatever the value is there, that value we have to substitute here. Already reduction potential of hydrogen electrode is available from the question only, minus 0.25. Don't write plus, because this formula is exclusively for reduction potentials purpose only, not for oxidation potential purpose, remember. Therefore, sign has changed into minus. Okay. And E naught, H plus oblique H2 is nothing but as a change, 0. Minus 0.059 divided by how many moles of electrons are involved? 2. Log base 10. Then pressure of hydrogen already given the question, 1 divided by H plus. We don't know anything about H plus. We don't know anything about H plus. That's why we will write H plus square as it is. No change. Right. Minus 0.25 is equals to minus, if you divide this value, 0.0295 log base 10. H plus, if you bring in the numerator, then it becomes H plus to the power of minus 2. Okay, right. Next, minus 0.25 is equals to minus 0.0295. See here, log m to the power of n. Log m to the power of n is nothing but n log m. N value how much? Minus 2. Log base 10, m value is H plus. Okay. Minus 0.25 is equals to minus into minus plus, and if you multiply these two values, you will get a 0. This value you will get 0.059. Okay, log base 10 H plus. Now we'll bring a log base 10 H plus into left hand side, LHS side. Log base 10 H plus is equals to minus 0.25 divided by 0.059. In the next step, what I am doing is this minus I am bringing here LHS. Minus log base 10 H plus is equals to, if you divide that value, you will get 4.23. Right. Minus log base 10 H plus is nothing but pH. Therefore, your answer is pH equal to 4.23. That's it. See the question. He has given the question of oxidation potential as well as oxidation symbol. Now both have changed. Oxidation potential has converted to reduction potential. Oxidation symbol has converted to reduction symbol as well as the reduction reaction. Because whatever the Nernst equation we are using, this Nernst equation is used when reduction reaction is taken. That's it. If it is oxidation reaction, remember this formula slightly it will be differ. This formula will be differ slightly, but I am not giving that formula because you will get confused. We'll follow only one formula, that is, if oxidation potential given, our job is we will convert into reduction potential. Oxidation symbol should be converted into reduction process, and we will use our regular Nernst equation formula only, and we will substitute. You will get an answer. That's all. Next, another question. We'll see that. Okay. Next question is. Find the Find the electrode potential at 25 degrees centigrade for an electrode in contact with a solution whose pH is equals to 10 and symbol platinum H2 1 atmosphere gas oblique H plus 10 to the power of minus 10 molar. That's it. Okay, here find the electrode potential at a 25 degrees centigrade for an electrode in contact with a solution whose pH equal to 10. Okay, whose pH equal to 10. Now, please try to observe the symbol. What symbol he has given? H2 oblique H plus. H2 oblique H plus means that is oxidation symbol. Oxidation symbol means he is asking here oxidation potential. Remember, he is asking oxidation potential. Once again, I will write the given symbol as it is: platinum oblique H2. Of course, 1 atmosphere gas oblique H plus 10 to the power of minus 10. Find the electrode potential at 25 degrees centigrade for an electrode in contact with a solution whose pH equal to 10. And pH 10, nothing but H plus is 10 to the power of minus 10. That we can write. pH equal to 10 means H plus value 10 to the power of minus 10 only. Okay. Now suppose 1 atmosphere, if it is a 1 molar concentration has given, in that case answer directly you can tell 0. That is standard hydrogen electrode becomes. But here of course pressure is 1 atmosphere, no doubt. Concentration is not 1 molar, concentration is 10 to the power of minus 10 molar. And here what we have to do, see the symbol H2 by losing electron converted to 2H plus like this. Then the symbol meaning is oxidation process. But our Nernst equation is exclusively related to reduction process only. That's what I am doing now. This again oxidation process I am changing into reduction process. But the first will calculate as it is reduction potential value only will calculate. But in the question is asking oxidation potential. That's why whatever the final answer will get, that final answer will change its sign. That's it. Okay. That's why this oxidation I am just turning into reduction. 2H plus plus 2 electrons gives H2. Again our regular routine formula, routine equation, reduction process, we will write Nernst equation E 2H plus oblique H2, H plus converted to H2. This is the reduction process, it is oxidation process. This oxidation we are not taking into consideration has converted into reduction because our Nernst equation, whatever the reaction we are writing, is related to reduction process only. Remember, equal to E naught 2H plus oblique H2 minus 0.059 by n log base 10 again H2 PH2 divided by H plus square. Same routine. Previously we have solved like these questions there. Okay, then this value is asking to calculate. Then this value is 0 anyhow, 0 minus 0.059 divided by 2 log base 10 and pressure, partial pressure of hydrogen is of course 1 divided by H plus square. H plus concentration is 10 to the power of minus 10 square. 10 to the power of minus 10 whole square. Because H plus square minus 0.0295. if you divide this value and log base 10 1 by 10 to the power of minus 20. If you shift in the numerator, it becomes 10 to the power of 20. 10 to the power of 20 is nothing but minus 0.0295 into log m to the power of n. Log m to the power of n is nothing but n log m. 20 log 10 base 10. If you multiply that value, you will get 0. Minus 0.59. Of course, this value log 10 base 10 is 1. You will get a minus 0.59. You will get. Okay, but in the question he has not asked that is a reduction potential. This he has not asked. He has asked this one only. But what we are doing oxidation, we have converted into our regular reduction process, because this equation, this Nernst equation will be used when you are using reduction reaction. Okay, suppose if you take oxidation, this we cannot use. Oxidation reaction we are considering, suppose this formula we have to modify, remember. But I am not modifying the formula, I am not changing the formula. Reduction reaction only I am using as it is. And but in the question he has asked the oxidation potential. That's why whatever the answer we are getting, this answer sign will change. Therefore the final answer is minus. Already there in the answer. Again we will multiply with minus. We will get plus 0.59 volts is our answer. That's it. It is H2 oblique H plus, that is E H2 oblique H plus 9. Okay, there is no any confusion in this question. He has asked the oxidation potential. Finally, we have calculated oxidation potential only. What is the relation between oxidation potential and reduction potential? Means in the previous classes we have learned E oxidation potential equal to minus of E reduction potential. That's the first we have calculated reduction potential only, because in the electrochemistry we will follow a reduction process as well as we will calculate reduction potential values only maximum, and reduction potential value is minus 0.59, but we want oxidation potential, so minus of minus will get ultimately plus sign. Okay, right, still one or two problems are there that will be continued in the next video. Thank you for your watching that. Okay, thank you.